morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. It's Mcnish here. We are on our way to a morning meets cars and coffee. All right, so we are almost at morning meets. 4 minutes, as you can see, just got off the highway. I'm excited. Back-to-back car meets. Yo, no one can say there's not enough car shows in Canada. There are so many. Like, I'm not even scratching the surface of the amount of car shows there are and car meets there are in Canada. Everyone always asks me, how do I make a left turn? So this is how I make a left turn. As you can see, I cannot see over that car, so sometimes I just stretch my neck out and go like this, and then sometimes I just wait and I be patient, or I just itch. I see there's a car coming, so I wait. It's even a lot better for me when the car that's in front of me making a left, they are more tight to the left side, but they always come wide. So I just wait. Now there's no car, so now I can see, and then I go just like that. It's pretty simple. Yo.
How are you doing, bro?
Doing good. How you doing?
Good to see you. Can we get you next to the turbo?
Okay, the black Porsche?
Yeah, the black turbo. Thank you.
Bet. All right, so we finally just reached here. Cars are loading in. You see the Supra next to the Porsche though. Damn. GT2.
And where's built?
Yeah, where's it built?
It's built in the same line as Miatas. So.
What? Yeah. That's crazy. I like this look more than the Miata though.
Thank you. It's a little bit frumpy from some angles, but it's kind of nice in other angles.
Yeah, it's different. I've never seen this before in my life. How nice this Porsche looks. It's so low. It's a Spyder. What the fuck? This is a Spyder. Manual. This is a Spyder. What?
The Beamer yours?
I know this is fast as hell. Look at the tires. I know he tracks this. Oh my gosh. Look at this M3.
Oh. So this? Yeah, my friend did 30. Not did 30.
It's crazy. The wheels. About to get me some donuts. Sport tuning. That's where we at with it. Gosh. Oh my God. Okay. Where do I start? Okay, let me get me. Chocolate, cinnamon sugar, egg and dairy powdered donut. Okay, let me get this one. Yes, sir. Free eats is the best eats, man. Whoops are loading in. E36 M3. gosh. BBS's. The interior. Oh my gosh, interior is so mint.
Still kind of a little bit of work left to do. I gotta actually have to respray it probably. I got a little bit of paint peeling.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah.
One thing at a time.
Clear coat, maybe.
Yeah, I got all new leather from Turkey. The interior is pretty much all new.
No, it's very
Wow,
nice.
it looks very new.
Yeah. I like the cream color actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's stock. This is a stock color. Then.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
I was gonna do cinnamon interior because I had an M3 E46 like the one behind there.
Right, right.
Back in the day, it was Alpine white with cinnamon interior.
Okay.
Brought it to the States.
Okay.
That thing a little hard. Yeah.
Would you ever add the wing or no?
I will probably put the LTW wing on it. But I got to touch up the paint a bit, like see if it's peeling. So I don't want to put it until before I paint it.
Yeah,
I just put a new
feel that.
diffuser. The old one was a little bit cracking. So diffuser, also from here, diffuser and this side little skirt thing makes it a little bit.
Yeah, like the touches.
But yeah, I love the car, man.
How long do you have it for?
I had it for about 2 years.
Yeah?
I had a 911 before this. I'm not really a Porsche guy. Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend a wide body on this one. No way, man.
No,
It's
wide body, no.
immaculate,
It's
just
perfect.
beautiful like this.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to go too crazy.
Yeah.
Super clean.
Yeah.
I never know. And as soon as I pulled in, right, I was like, damn, I'm excited to look at the cars. I forgot to turn the car up completely off. And then I'm like pressing the lock, but I'm like, why isn't it locking? I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot to shut it off.
Gosh. Look at the interior on this. With the roll cage. Fitment. This E36 M3 is crazy.
That's a nice Porsche.
Yeah.
With their egos.
How you doing? Good, how are you? Thanks for coming out. I appreciate it. What's going on? How's it going? You can find space on the right.
That truck is sweet. Hellcat pulled up. It's crazy. Vortec. Look how close the tire is. That's crazy. GR Yoda. This is fire. I know it's fun driving this. I know it's fun driving this. Engine bay though. It's cool as hell. For all you Miata lovers, this one's for you. That is sick. This is crazy. I didn't even peep this benzo right here in the back. This benzo is just in the cut. Damn. AMG. Bro, these are so beautiful, bro. Oh my gosh. I just love how like the back is like boxy. It has like a box look to it. It looks so clean. Shit. So clean. I love the wheels. Like this angle right here, like this is just perfect. Stay tuned for the rest of the vlog because later on today I will be adding a sticker to my car and I'm gonna give it a nice wash. Nah. She's looking clean as hell now. Look at the wheels though. Cheese. Nah. So I forgot to vlog it, but I finally got the decal on. If you want a class full decal, just holler at me. I got you. Class full takeover, man. You see this shit. Yeah, and that's a wrap for the vlog. I want to say thank you to everyone who's made it to the end of the vlog. And if you're new, subscribe, like, comment, share to your friends that are into cars. And yeah, that's a wrap. Mcnish out. Stay tuned for the next vlog.